What's good, YouTube? Put a little video up so you can kind of get the feel of the sound from these Edifier M90s. Again, this on video just does not do it justice, but the clarity of these speakers are amazing. They are completely directly connected to my TV. They are self-powered. They just sound amazing. Play a little copyright-free music so we don't get in trouble here. Switch it up to something else so you can kind of get a feel of the bass. Just a quick video, give you a little taste of the sound. Any questions, drop them in the comments. Let me know what you think. What did you think about the sound? Did you like it? I know it's not the same as being in person, but I'm gonna tell you, these things sound amazing. All right, everybody, have a good one.